If you're wondering how to watch Netflix on Apple Vision Pro, this is going to be the complete beginner's guide for you. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So there are a couple of things that you will need to go ahead and have. The first thing you want to have is Apple Vision Pro, of course, and then the visionOS 1.2 or later, Netflix app, which is going to be the latest version, and make sure that you have a Netflix subscription and stable Wi-Fi connection. Once you simply go ahead and have it, all you need to do is simply go ahead and make sure that you have the Netflix app installed. You can simply download the Netflix app from the App Store on your Vision OS. Simply go ahead and select that and open it. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and log in into your account. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and pinch and drag the corner to resize and place the screen anywhere you want. You can simply go ahead and put the perfect screen size. Then you can simply go ahead and browse around anything that you want to watch and simply go ahead and play your content by clicking on it. It is as simple as that. You can simply go ahead and look to highlight and pinch to select, by the way. And you can also simply go ahead and download for offline if you want to. And if you're done, you can simply go ahead and exit it by looking up and tapping on the close app or press down the digital crown. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.